If you keep seeing your internet connection seems unstable error on the GCash app, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps to fix it. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works better, or connect to a different network if possible. A weak connection is often the main reason this error appears. If that does not solve it, restart your phone to refresh your network settings and clear any temporary glitches. After rebooting, navigate to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Now from the list of apps, find GCash and launch it. In the Android device, press and hold on the GCash app. Then click on the option App Info. Click Force Restart. And for the iOS device, click on the option of Float app, confirm it, and click on Reinstall app. This won't delete your GCash account or balance, it only removes temporary files that may be causing issues. Likewise, you can completely delete GCash from your device and reinstall it. A fresh installation often removes hidden issues that older versions or corrupted files may have caused. Follow these steps and you should be able to fix the unstable connection error and get your GCash app running smoothly again. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.